solar system, right on the very edge, that tends to get missed. We know about the Kuiper belt, but the Oort cloud, that's a new one. So we're going to do a really little look into that. So the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud are two distant regions of our solar system filled with icy bodies, remnants from the early solar system. So when the sun exploded to become the sun, it is about 30 astronomical units from the sun to around 50 AU, 50 astronomical units. So that's what I mean. It goes in and out. Pluto goes in and out of it, which is really weird. And for those who don't remember, an astronomical unit is the distance between Earth and the sun. So 30 to 50 times the distance between the Earth and the sun. So you do Earth to the sun and times that by 50. That's how far away it is. And sometimes it's 30, sometimes it's 50, depending on the position of Earth, but depending on how gravity and everything is affecting it. So it's always moving and changing. So some key features of the Oort cloud. Obviously, you have Pluto. Small little planet that we absolutely love, especially as older generations. We love it. Was once the 9th planet. Pluto is now one of the largest known objects in the Kuiper belt. So even though it's crucial, it's really, really important. So yeah, Kepler belt, brilliant, home to Pluto. And the fact that Pluto doesn't collect more moons and that doesn't get trapped in, but it still gets bombarded by meteorites and asteroids on the surface, it shows that the Pluto is always evolving, always changing. So we're always watching it to see how things move. Then you've also got two other notable dwarf planets, Hummer and Make. Hummer is known for its elongated shape due to, think of an egg, spin it really fast, it gets thinner top to bottom and fatter in the middle. It's like a big potato spinning really, really fast. It's the only way I can describe it. And Make is noted for being really bright and very icy surface. So it's more shiny. It's one of the shiniest objects in the Kuiper belt. So Make is really, really cool and really interesting to have three different planets, completely different, all within the Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt is thought to be the remnants of the early solar system, consisting of material that never got concealed into planets. So this is the early materials that created planets. It's all there. But what is it? Why didn't it convert into a planet? Why wasn't gravity strong enough? Why were these materials left behind? Who knows? It's an area of active study, so we're always looking at, because of these icy bodies, for the clues of the early solar system's formation to see how they change. But like I said, Kuiper belt is so far away, 30 times the distance from the sun, from the Earth is, and things are always going through it. So things are always changing, things are always going on, and it's important that we study it and look at it. And its spherical shell of icy bodies that surround the solar system at great distance extends about 2,000 to 100,000 astronomical units from the sun. That's big. That's fat. So it could be really, really close. It could be really, really far away. Or it could be in the middle and really fat. And it contains all these icy shell bodies that we are looking at as comets and things like that. They all come from this area. However, these are the comets we're talking about. They have to travel such a long distance, go that far away. They're going 30,000, 40,000 light years away. Turn around and gravity, the sun is pulling them back. But what's pulling them away? What's making them go that far away? That's the interesting thing. We think it's something to do with the Oort cloud. That's why it's theoretical. We know there's something there, we just don't know what. But we can see through it. That's why we can see the stars. Okay? That's the big difference. That's what's really, really important. And think of it as a distant, dark, clear halo. It's there, but you can't see it. So what's the importance of studying these regions? By studying the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud provides us valuable information into the early solar system, the Kuiper belt. Okay, so let's wrap this episode up, shall we? The Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud are crucial components of the solar system's architecture, offering a window into the early history and the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. So we're not thinking as far away as closest stars, closest other things. It's our little backyard, as it were. I really hope you've enjoyed listening to this episode. I really hope you enjoyed my future ones as well. We will keep discovering more and more and more. The next episode will be on, let's read this, a journey through the moons of our solar system. Oh, we're going to go through the moons. So I hope you're listening for that.